Considering getting this item, let me help you. This thing is amazing. Here's why. Okay, man, if you struggle with charging your phone in cars, you know what I'm talking about. Most of the time, these things don't work, okay? Or they are just awkward, or they don't hold charge, like they break so easily. Not this thing. This is durable, exceptionally well built, and charges exceptionally fast. That is my main pain point with car chargers, is how long it takes to charge. Like, you can use a wall charger and have one of those fast chargers that just zips, charge your phone, done. For a long time, there wasn't any solution to fast charge, and you know the pain of driving, look down at your phone, you have like 15%. And then wondering if you're driving, you're gonna get lost if you don't charge your phone. Like I do often, I get lost, okay? That's besides the point. The point is, this helped me a lot, okay? So it charges your phone exceptionally fast, and it is easy to use, and it's well built. It's not big, it's not clunky. Just plug that in, plug your phone, and off you go. It charges your phone. So if you're on the fence about getting this thing, don't be on the fence about it. It is exceptionally awesome. Get off the fence, get it right now, and I hope you love it and it serves you like I love it and it serves